Hi everyone, in this video I want to introduce the third learning module of the course and outline some key elements of it, as well as draw your attention to a couple of things that will be slightly different in this module from the first two modules. So overall, this third module is pretty similar in structure to the first two modules. The difference, of course, is that this is the module where we begin working on the client project. So this module and the next module will be primarily dedicated to working with your client, getting in touch with your client, creating a needs analysis, writing a project proposal, and then in the fourth module we will actually work on the deliverables for the client that you had proposed to them. So if you look at the structure of this third module, again, it's pretty similar in a lot of ways. There are a couple of written deliverables. One is the needs analysis memo, 2 pages for the client and for myself, and the other one is a 2-page memo also of a project proposal that you will deliver to the client and to me. Those are the two big sort of assignments, writing assignments for this module. There will be 1 or 2 discussion post assignments which you will complete as a team. I believe there are a couple of new readings, but they're all front-loaded in the beginning of the module. And I also wanted to point out that the main reading for this module, the main text, is the Business Writer's Companion, which is, if you've taken a look at it already, contains a lot of useful models, useful information about different types of business documents, including the memo, which you will be working with this module. So consult it on your own and use it as a instruction manual of sorts for yourselves, and let me know if you have any questions about how to use it or what to use it for, or where to find certain kinds of information. You can also use the companion for any questions on grammar, mechanics, punctuation, sentence structure, paragraph structure, and all that other good stuff. Okay, so the other thing that's sort of different in this module from the previous ones is that you're going to get a whole week. Your team gets a whole week to get in touch with the client, to interview the client, and then based on that interview, prepare your needs analysis memo. Also during that week, which is week 2 of the module, I think, I will strongly encourage you as a team to get in touch with me and conduct some sort of a probably virtual or face-to-face, if you're on campus, session with me where you could kind of ask me, update me on the progress of your project and ask me any questions that you may have at the early stages of the client project. That'll give you an opportunity to sort of check with me to see how things are going, and that'll give me an opportunity to provide any guidance, any early checks that I may need to provide your team with before you get too involved, too engrossed in the project. So as I say on the web courses, you can either meet with me face-to-face if you're on campus as a team, or you can set up a virtual session with me using either Skype or Google Hangouts, and we'll talk through any questions or any issues that you guys may have. Now, if your group decides to do that, make sure you get in touch with me in plenty of time to set something up so we have a time and date that works for everybody. People who were in my previous classes who took advantage of this similar offer in other classes, I think, came away from those sessions feeling like they benefited from it. So again, I'm available. Use me for your questions and for your concerns. So that's it. We're beginning Module 3. This is where we actually begin working with the client. It's very exciting. I look forward to seeing your projects. And as always, please let me know when you have any questions about anything. Have a great day and stay safe with the hurricane and all that. Bye-bye.